What's up you guys, today I'm finna be showing you how to replace the headlight bulbs on your 2016 Land Rover Discovery. Let's get to it. Unscrew the two retainer clips from the air filter vent. You don't need any tools, you can do this all by hand. Turn the cover counterclockwise. The headlight bulb on this Discovery are halogen, some are equipped with xenon bulbs. Turn the bulb counterclockwise, paying attention how it comes out. Disconnect the wiring connector. Install the new headlight bulb. The part number is H11. Reconnect the socket. It only goes on one way, so you can't mess it up. Reinstall the bulb how it came out, and then turn it clockwise. To gain access on the bulb on the left passenger side, simply remove the cover. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and thanks for watching you guys. Late.